I have 4 general notary work appointments today. I just got out of my second one where I was paid $100 cash for a 20-minute signing, and most of that 20 minutes was spent just connecting with the signer. I'm a mobile notary, loan signing agent, and wedding officiant here in the Medford, Oregon area. I really love what I get to do. I get to meet different people and go to different places every single day. Since beginning this process 2 years ago, I haven't had to miss a single family event, a birthday party, none of that, because I now control and create my own schedule, and that is worth so much to me. How I got started on this journey was 2 years ago. I was 20 years old. I had just been laid off due to COVID, and I had a dream of being a loan originator. So I began training for that, and during that process, someone recommended to me to get my notary commission to just somewhat learn the loan process, to learn how to handle clients, to make connections in the industry, and just to make a little extra money on the side while I'm studying. So I really took that to heart, and I got my notary commission just a week after that. And when I first got my commission, I quickly learned that the state's training does not teach you how to run a business, where to get clients. You don't learn any of that. So I still didn't really know where to start or what to do. So I just started researching, joined notary groups on Facebook, and I saw a lot of recommendations about the loan signing system. But I chose to take another course first, and while after taking that course, I felt like I still didn't know how to run a business. I still didn't know where to start with marketing. So I finally decided to jump in and try the loan signing system, and I am so glad that I did. My only regret is that I didn't do it sooner. If you're on the fence about taking it, I highly encourage you to do it. General notary work is 90% of what I do, and although the loan signing system is a loan signing agent course, Mark Wills doesn't just teach you how to walk a client through a loan signing. He teaches you how to run a business. He gives you advice on websites, Google business pages, business cards, just really how to have a business owner mindset and not an employee mindset. And not only that, but the community around the loan signing system is just incredible. There's so many like-minded entrepreneurs that you can learn from, and that will teach you how to diversify your business. So whether you're looking into officiating weddings, doing general notary work, loan signings, field inspections, it's just endless options. And no matter what you're leaning towards, the loan signing system will be a huge benefit to you.